Everyone says YouTube takes 15 to 20 hours per video. I'm going to show you why it takes me 3. I delegated my entire YouTube production to Claude Code. 1 skill, 5 steps: research, outline, script, cut, edit, publish. I film for 1 hour. Claude Code handles the other 90%. And the cut edit step is the part most people do not believe until they see it. 3 passes. Pass 1 removes every retake automatically. Pass 2 catches, phrase, repeats your ear misses. Pass 3 polishes the pacing. I will show you whole 3 on screen. I'm Chris. By the end of this video, you will know how to build the same YouTube pipeline. Let's go. Tell me if this sounds like you. You have clients. You know YouTube is the next step. So you set up a studio, you buy a mic, you spend a week learning Premiere Pro, you film your first video, it takes 7 hours, 2 hours writing the script by hand, 1 hour filming, 4 hours editing, cut retakes, adding subtitles, picking music, exporting. You publish it on Saturday, 47 views. You film another one, another 7 hours, 63 views. By the 3rd video, you are exhausted. The channel dies, not because the content was bad, because the production killed you. There is a pattern I call the feature edit. They spend 3 weeks perfecting their OBS setting, their lighting, their intro animation, their thumbnail template in Figma. They have a beautiful studio and 0 published videos. I was that person. My first 3 videos took 20 hours each. 20 hours for a 14-minute video that got 180 views. Every week you do not publish is a week your competitor's video is ranking instead of yours. That is not a missed opportunity. That is a lost position. YouTube search is zero-sum. The video that ranks today gets the traffic tomorrow. Your empty upload slot is their win. Then I built the YouTube skill 20 hours, dropped to 3. Same quality, fraction of the time. Let me show you. First thing they check, is your niche even watched on YouTube? You run /YouTube research with 3 queries. If the median view count is above 10,000, go. Below 2,000, skip this mission entirely and scale cold outreach instead. 10 minutes that saves 60 hours of wasting film. I love that they put this first. Then the pipeline, 1 skill /YouTube. 5 steps: research, outline, script, cut, edit, polish. You film between step 3 and step 4. Everything else is Claude Code. And this is what I made through my YouTube skills. I made my YouTube video through these whole skills. Step 1 through 3, research. Claude searches YouTube for top videos in your niche, scraps X for trending topics, pulls transcript to see what hooks are working, and present 5 to 10 candidates. You pick one, 15 minutes. They use our Epify skills, YouTube email scrapper, X Twitter scrapper, and web browser, YouTube search scrapper. And then they made outline. Claude builds a 5-section structure: hook and problem, solution, results, and outro. You can see the timestamp ranges right here in document. The stat they mention is real. 74% of video that crossed 100,000 views used this exact structure. Also generates 3 title options and thumbnail direction 20 minutes. And here's my example. And you guys watch this video that made this skill. Claude Code runs my YouTube channel. Here's the full system. 11 skills that run my $30,000 month YouTube channel. And then they made my script. Claude writes the teleprompter script in your voice from business.markdown file. 1800 to 2500 words. Humanizer checked. It applies open loops, lose aversion, micro payoffs, all the psychology techniques listed in this document. You read it out loud. Flag what does not sound like you. Then film. 1 take or 2. Do not film 10 takes. And this is the step that replaces your video editor for the talking head. This is why the whole pipeline works. /YouTube, cut, edit, 3 passes, and the mission document explains why 3 passes instead of 1. If you tell Claude edit my video as 1 instruction, it misses retakes, and the output sounds trippy. Breaking it into 3 passes is the fix. Pass 1, retake remover. Claude uses your script as ground truth. When you restart a sentence, pass 1 cuts the first attempt and keeps the final version. Think about what this means. You do not need to be perfect on camera. Film naturally, stumble, restart, keep going. Pass 1 removes every restart. That one feature is why filming takes 1 hour instead of 4. And phase 2, phrase repeat detection. N-gram analysis catches verbal tics. So the protects multi-words names like Claude Code from being flagged. Last path, silence polish, trims silence over half a second to 0.2 seconds. Before any of this runs, the skill checks for VFR trips. One-time setup before your first video, just you type /YouTube setup and Claude installs FFmpeg. Python asks for your dgram key. 10 minutes, you never do it again. Why 1 per week and 3 per week? Quality collapse in 4 weeks. We tested this on 4 channels, 1 per week for 52 weeks bids, 3 per week for 8 weeks every time. The contents you make, first 10 videos, 5 case studies from your Mission 3 clients, 5 system teach videos showing your approach with real numbers. Do not make 10 trends in AI videos, views 0 clients. The weekly rhythm, Monday research and outline, Tuesday script, Wednesday film, Thursday cut edit, Friday publish, Saturday upload and community post, Sunday pull metrics 3 to 4 hours by video 5. My first 5 got under 300 views each. Publish it anyway. Done is the standard. I built my channel to 14,000 subscribers and $30,000 a month in 6 months running this pipeline. Same 5 steps. Same weekly rhythm. First 5 videos were bad. Published them anyway. Video 8 broke 5,000 views. After that, YouTube started recommending me. YouTube is not a content strategy. It is a closing tool. Every video is a sales call that runs 24 hours a day without you on the line. Cookie AI started with 0 audience, 0 agency, a laptop. Same pipeline, 6 months, 46,000 a month, 42,000 subscribers, no team, 1 skill. That is the full YouTube pipeline. 1 skill, 5 steps, research, outline, script, cut edit, publish. You film for 1 hour. Claude Code does the other 90%. The question is whether you keep spending 15 hours per video in Premiere or whether you build a pipeline and start publishing. Agent founders is where feature addicts become publishers. I built this for the person I used to be. theagentfounders.com/Claude. Free roadmap, 3 core skills. Everything in this video is yours for free. The pipeline just gets you there faster. Next video, I show you how to automate YouTube ads, custom audience targeting at 1/3 the cost. The kill scale rule. That is mission 5. See you in the next one.